Hi, we are in Kampala. We got done with our safari a couple days ago, did some laundry, relaxed, but we're really excited. If you've watched any of our videos before, you know that one of our favorite things is trying new foods.
So, if that's not obvious, we're going on a little food walking tour.
Yes, so we're going to meet our guide. We have 3 hours of delicious food, and we're excited.
We weren't planning on filming really much in Kampala, but let's show off a little bit of the city. I think our family would freak out a little bit.
I think if we do a food tour, you have to show it.
Yes. Goats.
Aaron says I can't have a goat.
How about goat?
Oh my god. Now we've got to cross this hectic street. Yeah, let's just follow the locals. Made it. I imagine these streets are similar to crossing the streets in Vietnam from what I've seen. Oh, we haven't been to Vietnam yet, so.
Then we go through downtown. Then we shall go to our food area where we shall have a local buffet.
Okay.
Yes. So we shall try on the street foods. We shall take little. Then we later proceed and have a buffet, a local buffet.
Okay.
Yes, I'll be telling you which type of food comes from this area, which type of food comes from this area. Feel free to ask anything.
Okay.
Yes.
So what does the classic Rolex have in it?
The classic one, the one we have in the other big hotels.
Mm-hmm.
We have some for meat. It's just like a pizza. Do you know why they call it a Rolex?
I know something of like because the eggs are like rolled or something.
So there was a white person that came through. Then he ate it. Then by the time he came back, you had to explain to this one, make for me the other thing, and he didn't have a way of calling it. So to explain on a difficult language, it was like, because of language barrier, it was like, roll the eggs.
Okay.
Because of difficult, like in language barrier.
And it just stuck.
Yeah, it just stuck like that. It became a roll.
Make it the eggs, then you always like a part.
Is this just salt?
Yeah, this is
Okay.
also. You have it packed like how? So it's rolling the egg.
Rolled egg, okay.
Roll the egg.
We're starting with a Rolex this morning. It is chapati with eggs, tomatoes, onions, salt, and it's literally just rolled into this little thing. A little hot.
Very good, though, huh?
It's very good. We'll have again. Yeah. Finished our Rolex, and now we're headed somewhere else. Not sure where we're going to, what we're trying yet.
You know how to break?
We got roasted corn. We kind of had this before, but it tastes like, it tastes more like popcorn than regular corn. It like bursts in your mouth. It's very good.
How is it?
Yeah.
Roasted plantain.
Oh, plantain.
Yes, it's one of the types of plantain. We have more than 25 different species of banana.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
That's a lot.
Oh, I just dug right in.
Roasted plantain.
Roasted plantain.
I like it.
Wow. Enjoy.
Yeah,
It's kind of sweet.
But not-
this one
not
we
too
wait for
sweet.
it as if it's about to get ripe. That's when we roast it. We don't cook food out of it. This one is basically for roasting, so it is a street snack. So when you're
Okay.
traveling long distances, it's what we get Like how you can go and get crisps and what.
Yeah.
For us, we get this one, the locals. Yeah.
That's very cool.
So it's when it's like not quite yellow, it's still the green?
Yeah, it's in the middle of getting yellowish.
Mm.
Yes, that's when
Okay.
we use it.
Mm.
Delicious. These lemons? I mean limes?
It is an orange, some type of an orange. Yes,
Oh, okay.
but a different one.
A green orange.
Yes. It's called mangada. Yes, yes.
Oh, it's kind of sour. Yeah, it's like tart.
Very tart.
But not as tart as like a lemon or lime.
That's good. I like it.
Oh wow.
Oh, I see it simmering.
We're cooking first
Uh-huh.
fish. This one. This is fish without anything in.
Uh-huh.
Then the other one is bosho.
We're gonna try some tilapia. But it looks like they're cooking right here on the
The
side
street
of the
one.
street. Street
So we-
tilapia.
So we hold it like this.
Okay. Let me see it. Oh, bone. I got a bone.
Really good.
Oh, it's like very salty and crunchy. The crunchiness might just be the bone.
It's so good.
Yeah, it's much saltier than I thought.
It's almost like fried chicken.
Oh.
I didn't get a bone. How'd you? That's so cool.
I know, it's cool. She just like slid it in there.
This is a tire of a shoe. We make shoes out of it. We don't waste anything in Uganda. So we make
Wow.
this,
That's so cool.
yeah,
Like the sole part?
the sole.
Okay.
It does not get old, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
How are you? How are you?
Good. How are you?
Try out some, say. Carry, carry.
Wow. Now we're gonna try out some sugarcane.
Can't say I've ever had any.
I think I've had it at some point. I don't remember when though. How do you eat it? Oh.
Then, after getting out the juice, you spit it. Then this one is trash.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you don't eat the pit? Okay.
It's not too sweet actually. Basically, just take the sugar,
Yep.
squish it out, and then you're left with this.
Well, anything to do with sweets, I love. They're so good.
Good for the people that have hangover. It takes away hangover.
Oh, does it?
Hangovers?
Yes.
Do we just throw it on the ground?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I feel weird throwing it on the ground.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's good.
It's orange. It gets underneath this. You know what? One to go work for the other people in uptown. They are feeling. What they are feeling right now. Mukule.
We're gonna test out some jackfruit. I actually don't think I've ever had jackfruit.
This is so much good though.
So you have to remove the white stuff. So you remove like this.
this. Okay. I said just like, no, I can't do it. Oh, like, why is it's not coming off? And then you just eat it.
Yeah, remove the seed.
That's a big seed.
Yeah. So now, if you don't rub like this, it brings the milky stuff.
Mm.
Yeah, that is.
I like the flavor.
No, it's good.
I don't like the
It's not bitter. It's not too sweet.
consistency.
I think the consistency is good.
It's a little slimy.
Oh, that's really good. It's very
gonna-
slimy, yeah.
You have to hold it for me. I do like the taste. I just don't like the sliminess.
It's like
I like it.
Corona death. So Muzungu means white person. That's why if everyone is singing your name. Our statistics is not right.
Okay. We got to our buffet place. Thank you. We're about to sample some more food after we get a warm towel. We're at our buffet. We got our first, I don't want to say first course because it's a lot of food already. But we got a lot of traditional Ugandan foods. We got some greens, we got sweet potatoes, I'm forgetting the name of everything.
Kosho, the white one.
Kosho,
Then millet.
Yes. And then chicken,
cabbage salads,
some cabbage salad, some little vegetables.
matoke.
And this is matoke, which
with
is
peanut paste.
mashed bananas with a peanut paste.
Yes.
It is. I think that the mashed bananas are my favorite so far. They don't taste sweet at all. It's very different than you would think. I'm gonna try to slowly make my way through this food and we'll see what else can fit after that.
This is our guide, Andrew, and we found him on what website? GetYourGuide.com. Awesome experience. He's been great. Took us through the ghetto, had some amazing food, street food, and now we're ending it here at this buffet. Romeo's Buffet, yeah. And then Eric's going to be super excited about us taking a Boda Boda on the way back. Yes, but awesome experience. Definitely, if you're in Kampala, go ahead and hit up Andrew, and he will take you around, show you a good time.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
So you can put a review. Drive slowly. They are not used.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you
guys.
Bye. Here we go. Have fun.
It's better if I just don't look it over there.
It's hard to film when there's hair going like this in my face.
I can't help that. I feel like there's car rules and then there's Boda Boda rules.
There's car rules and then Boda Boda rules. Red lights? What red lights? Here, it's recording.
We survived our Boda Boda. But today was really great. This was something we just decided we wanted to do because of how much we love food. And nothing we do is sponsored. Everything we do is just what we feel like doing. And it was great. We tried a lot of different stuff. Walked through a lot of neighborhoods. Survived a Boda Boda. Don't think I'll do it again.
I told her that I could drive one.
No.
I could do it. I could do
Places
it.
you think you wouldn't be able to drive, they somehow drive there.
I think I could do it. But best experience so far in Kampala. Must do. I think I said that already.
Probably.
I'm exhausted. That's why I'm rambling.
We're gonna sit and relax though. I think I probably got a little sunburnt. I put the bug spray on, or the bug lotion, but not the sunscreen, so priorities.
Well, let's relax and see what the rest of the adventure has in store for us.